So on behalf of the IAG, it gives me great pleasure to welcome everybody to this 2024 symposium and workshop of the IGS. As we've heard, this year marks the 30th anniversary of the founding of the IGS, which officially started as an IAG service on January 1st, 1994. Following its lead, the SLR community established the International Laser Ranging Service, which became an IAG service in 1998. The VLBI community established the International VLBI Service for Geodesy and Astrometry, which became an IAG service the next year in 1999. And the DORS community established the International DORS Service, which became an IAG service in 2003. So the establishment of these services within the IAG and the data and products that they provide has led to a revolution in our understanding of the Earth and its interacting systems. The data from the services are also used to determine the International Terrestrial Reference Frame, which is the foundation for virtually all airborne, space-based, and ground-based Earth observations. And of course, it's the data and products from the IGS that allow users to access the ITRF. So the IGS is an essential and indispensable part of the IAG. So the IGS has accomplished much during the past 30 years, growing to become a leader in global geodesy with the data and products that it provides from a global network of over 500 GNSS stations. So on behalf of the IAG, I congratulate the IGS on its past achievements and wish it continued success in the future. Thank you.